Hello everyone, today I will show you how you can turn this photo into this. Here we go. We will start by cropping the image. Crop it as you see fit for your photo. Don't crop it if it's already perfectly sized. The face got a little bit dark due to lighting. Let's fix it. Mask out the skin area and press Ctrl+J to copy it. After that, take a selective color layer and make a clipping mask. Play with the red and yellow color, only adjust the black slider. Then merge them together. Make a copy of it and set the blending mode to overlay. Then set the opacity down. Merge them again. Okay, now let's make the colors a bit pop. Make it a bit dark to make the image moody. Play with the exposure and contrast a bit to do so. And increase the saturation and vibrance. Come to the color mixture tab and play with the slider. Don't do it too much. Now come to the color grading tab and set the highlight to your fitting color. You can check the difference now. Most of you don't use this tab, but it can do the magic sometimes. Use this tab to make the picture more colorful. You can check the difference now. Let's make the lower left corner a bit dark. Set the linear gradient and adjust it. You don't need to do this according to your picture. To give it a more dark feel to it, make a curve adjustment layer and darken it a bit. Then invert the mask. Take the brush tool, decrease the flow and paint over the mask. I will add a text behind the subject. If you don't want to do it, then you may skip. To do so, go to the Select tab and go to Set and Mask. Click on Select Subject and make a copy of it. Add your text and set the font you like. Then drag the text layer behind the subject layer. Adjust the opacity, and you are done.